Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. Today, we are looking at 3 homes, all in the price range of $219,000 to $249,000. But I just want you to keep in mind that in the past, maybe about a year ago, a little over a year, about half the things on the MLS were priced in US dollars and about half of them were priced in Mexican pesos. As of recently, maybe the past 3 or 4 months, nearly everything is priced in pesos. So I am doing a currency exchange when I do these videos. So if you see a home that you're interested in, I have a lot of you that will email me and ask me about the house, see if it's still available, and I'll send you the MLS link and everything. The price will differ depending on the exchange rate. So just keep that in mind. But something like 80 to 90% of my viewers live in the US. So I am pricing these homes in dollars for you. Also, another special announcement, it has rained nonstop for a week here. I can't necessarily say nonstop. What I mean by nonstop is that every night it has rained for the past straight week in Ajijic, which is amazing because last year, we totally skipped the rainy season. It rained maybe once a week during rainy season and it got so dry and so hot here. We're really excited. I hope it stays this way until October because everything's going to turn bright green and it's going to be so beautiful here. Summer is my favorite time of year in Ajijic because it rains like downpours every night. And then during the day, it's like nice and sunny and cool and the weather's nice. And so you can walk around town and do things and not be sweating your ass off. You know what I mean? So I think we officially have our rainy season back. So a few announcements I need to make before we get started. One of them is that I have a pocket listing in Chapala. It is a huge lot, 17,000 square meters, which is just over 4 acres. And it is priced at $29 per square meter. And again, that's at the current exchange rate. The actual price is in pesos, so it's 9 million pesos. Which comes out to about 530 pesos per square meter. And right now it's exchanging at about $29 per square meter, which is absolutely unheard of, especially considering the fact that this lot already has electricity, it already has water, it's completely flat and cleared out. Like there is nothing you need to do there. You can just start building. You can subdivide if you want to sell lots individually, whatever you would like to do with this lot. But it's beautiful. It has a little bit of a peekaboo view to the lake. It's in a great location. It's close to Soriana. The road to get there is a little rough right now, but that area is kind of being developed. So that'll be fixed in the near future. And once homes start going out there and everything, they'll start putting in like maybe paved road or brick roads or cobblestone roads, whatever. But this lot is absolutely amazing. When I got my hands on this, I was like, oh boy. So if you guys are interested in that, you can email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. Also, if you are looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, you can email me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. I got a lot of buyers coming down here lately, checking the area out, purchasing property because, things are getting a little weird up there and we're not really sure what's going to happen. So I suspect by the end of this year, the market here is going to boom, absolutely boom. So if you are thinking about listing, contact me. I can come over and do a free opinion of value on your home and like a market analysis so that you can figure out what your home will sell for when the market picks back up. And if you are looking to buy in this area, you can email me and I can send you some listings over to you. I can guide you to the MLS. And if you want to come down and check some things out, I can take you on tour, whatever you like. You can also visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you will find a link to all of my listings and a link to our bed and breakfast and our cafe. Both just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best B&B and Best Coffee for the last 2 years. And the bed and breakfast is super cute. I would consider it kind of like a boutique hotel little place with the cafe located inside of it. The cafe is open to the public every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And we have a nice big seating area with air conditioning and super cozy in there. All of the rooms have AC, refrigerators, reverse osmosis water, safes, streaming TVs. We pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to put your own login information in there. And we have breakfast every morning. We have a little bit of a buffet with cereal, yogurt, pastries from the cafe, fresh baked bread from around the corner. There's a bakery around the corner and we go get fresh bread every morning. In addition to having the buffet, we have hot plates every morning and we rotate between chilaquiles, eggs and bacon, or French toast. And the French toast is made with that fresh baked bread every morning. What do you want? Oh my God. Anywho, back to my speech. Okay. Whatever, you guys get the idea. You've been hearing me yap about this every single video for like 2 years. Okay, so the first house we're looking at today is located in Vista del Lago, which is outside of Chapala. It's a little further than we usually go, but Vista del Lago is actually pretty popular for people who don't want to be right smack dab in the middle of like a busy town city, you know what I'm saying? This gated community is also well known for their golf course out there, so there are a lot of golfers out there that come. Sometimes they come from Guadalajara to play golf at Vista del Lago. So let's go check it out. First house on our tour today is listed at $219,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 176 square meters or 1,894 square feet. The lot size is 420 square meters or 4,521 square feet. The HOA is 5,240 pesos every quarter. It does not come furnished and it's located in Vista del Lago. All right, everybody. Here is house number 1, right here. It's just this side of the building. This is a duplex, so this is the part that's for sale right here. Zooming out, you can see that we are on a golf course. Wow, this is an 18-hole golf course. So if you're a golfer, this is a great place to live. There's a lot of houses back here in Vista del Lago, which is the name of the gated community. And this gated community, you'll see, is located on the very east side of not the very east side of the lake. We're not all the way east of this crazy largest lake in Mexico, but it's east of Chapala, as you can see here. All right, so if our house is over here, this is a little bit further than we usually go on our tours. So I just want to get your bearings for you here. So here's Chapala, here's San Antonio, Ajijic, Riberas is right here, Ajijic, West Ajijic, San Juan Cosala, and then it goes into Jocotepec. So you're over here. If you like living away from you know, the hustle and bustle of this city life and the craziness of Ajijic and how busy it is, this is an excellent place to live. So all of your shopping and dining would be done over here in Chapala. Your emergency services would come from this way as well. And at this location, you are closer, a little bit closer to Mezcala, which the town of Mezcala is not super great. It's cute. It's a little town, you know what I mean? But they have boats that can take you out here to Mezcala Island, where I think I said this in one of my last videos, where they have, you know, the Spanish conquest buildings from back about 500 years ago. There's an old church, an old prison, really cool history over there. So to get from this house to Chapala Centro would take you 19 minutes. And if you would like to go to the Soriana in Chapala, which is where you can do bigger grocery hauls rather than maybe just going to some of these little abarrotes that are here in like these small towns and everything, it would take you about 16 minutes to get there. So 16 minutes to get to the grocery store. To get from that house to Ajijic Centro would take you 30 minutes. To get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport would take you 42 minutes. And to get from that house to Costco would take you an hour and 18 minutes if you're taking this road, or an hour and 13 minutes if you're taking this, if you cut through here a little bit, cut from going, you know, through all of Guadalajara here. All right, second home we're looking at today is located in San Antonio, Tlayacapan, and is close to everything. A lot of people want to live in this area because you can literally walk to everything. You can walk to Walmart, you can walk to the mall, you can walk to the movies, you can walk to the food court, you can walk to cute little mom and pop restaurants, you can walk to the hospital, you can walk everywhere. It's very centrally located. And if you want a car and you want to drive, if you live in this area, it's super easy. Like you're like right at the intersection of everything. So you go this way and you're in Chapala. You go this way, you're in Ajijic. You go that way, you're in Guadalajara. And it's right at that intersection that kind of takes you everywhere. So let's go see it. House number 2 is listed for $224,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. The construction size is 153 square meters or 1,647 square feet. The lot size is 120 square meters or 1,292 square feet. It is not located in a gated community, it does not come furnished, and it is in San Antonio, Tlayacapan. Okay guys, house number 2 and house number 3 are located right here. So this is house number 2 on our tour, the one we just toured, and this is house number 3, the one you're gonna see next. They are literally right next door to each other. So we're just gonna do this, kill 2 birds with 1 stone. These 2 properties are located in San Antonio, Tlayacapan, and you'll see we're about 1 block from the lake. Here is San Antonio's cute little malecon that you can walk down. It's very quiet through there. You are less than a block from Adelita's Bar and Grill, which is a very nice restaurant, very popular in the whole area. People come from Ajijic and Chapala and everything to go to this restaurant. It's very nice. And check this out. From this house, you're only about, I would say, maybe 5 blocks away from Walmart, which is right here. And you are 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 blocks from the main highway here. Okay, here's the home right here. This whole area of San Antonio is super popular because there is so much going on here. There's a mall here with a movie theater, a casino, some shopping, a cell phone store, a food court with Trips Burger, Subway. There's some Asian food in there, some Indian food. All of it's really good. La Paseña, oh, it's a delicious seafood restaurant. San Antonio Hospital's right around here. You can also do some shopping at Super Lake, which is right around in here somewhere. I don't know exactly, but Just trust me, okay? So everything in San Antonio is very walkable. The other really cool thing about this area of San Antonio is that you're right smack in the middle of everything. If you want to come out onto the highway and go this direction into Riberas and Chapala, you can. If you want to come onto the highway and go this way to Ajijic and Jocotepec, you can. Or you could just shoot straight up this Libramiento to go into Guadalajara. Let me zoom out so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if our house is here, you can either go to this direction to Chapala, or you can go this direction to Ajijic and all the way over to Joco, or just go up and into Guadalajara. All right, house number 3. Not much to say other than the fact that it is literally right next door to the last house we just saw. They share a wall. So same location, everything. Let's go check it out. House number 3 is listed at $249,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 130 square meters or 1,399 square feet. The lot size is 160 square meters or 1,722 square feet. It is not in a gated community. It does not come furnished. And it is in San Antonio, Tlayacapan, right next door to the last one we toured. All right, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any questions. And if you were looking to buy or sell in the Lake Chapala area, contact me and Amanda at lakechapalarealty.com. And I will see you guys soon. I think I'm gonna post a video right after this one, maybe like a day after, 2 days after. It's gonna be back to back, you know what I'm saying? Because we're going on some crazy tours and I gotta get all these videos out, all these properties that are available to look at. So stay tuned for that. Bye.